everyone, welcome back to Cybrosys. So today in this video, let's discuss about the deduplication rule which you can find inside the data cleaning module of Odoo 17. Similar to field cleaning, we have this deduplication, which is basically used to eliminate the duplicate data. So in various records, you can find these duplicate data such as in the contacts and all, there might be duplicates, right? So it's important to find out these duplicates and eliminate those. So for that, you can configure this deduplication rules inside the data cleaning module, which will help you to eliminate all these things. So let's move on to the module and see how the deduplication is done. So guys, imagine your sales pipeline overflowing with duplicate leads, the same potential customers showing up multiple times. So this can lead to wasted sales effort, inaccurate sales data, as well as poor customer experience. For this, we have our deduplication as a hero. So thankfully, Odoo 17's deduplication feature can identify and eliminate these duplicates leads, streamlining your sales process. So let's begin with the cleaning up process. For that, let's open the data cleaning module. This is the data cleaning. Now, once you navigate into the data cleaning, you have this configuration. And under the configuration, you have to select the deduplication rules. Now, let's hit on the new icon and create a new one. So I'm going to create a new deduplication rule, which is going to act over the model lead. Okay. So here I'm just searching for lead. You can see lead opportunity here. So I've opened it. And as you can see, the model which I've chosen will be taken as the rules name. Okay. So that's it. And here you have this merge mode where we have this manual merging as well as the automatic merging. Okay. So I'm putting it as manual itself, and then you can, add a domain here if you want. That is a new rule can be added, and you can choose to notify which customer. So I'm choosing Michelle admin. Okay. So this is basically to notify, there are new records to merge. So you can choose whom to notify and how often it should be notified. Okay. Then we have the cross company, which is to, show or which is to find out duplicates across different companies. Okay, and then you have this deduplication rule where you have to specify the rules. So I'm adding a line, and here I'm going to add the email. Okay, so let the email be taken. So I'm choosing email and putting it as exact match. Similarly, I'm going to add phone number also. So if there is any lead which is having the same email ID or the same phone number, that is, there might be situations where the same person is sending 2 leads or same customer is coming as a 2 lead. Okay, in such cases, you have that, a duplication occurs, right? So obviously, we'll have to eliminate them. And that's the reason why we've given the unique ID field as email or phone. And I'm putting the, exact match option. So only merge if it's exact match. So that's done, and I'm saving it. Okay, so you can, now before going to this, I have already created certain leads. Okay, now we'll do one thing, we'll deduplicate and see whether there are data. So I've already clicked on deduplicate, and you can see the leads which have come from the same person. Okay, so here you can see the email ID and the phone number is exactly the same. Okay, you have this product pricing, product info and all, where the email ID and the phone number is exactly the same, which means this has come from the same person. Similarly, you have others. Okay, so out of this, you can actually select and merge it. So that is why we use this manual merging. Okay, you can just take a look at it and then merge it, because we don't need duplicate leads. Okay, if the person is sending leads for the very same thing means, then what is the point of sending it twice? Obviously, it will turn out to be a duplicate. Okay, so here you can see the duplicates which are generated. So we have identified it based on the email ID and the phone number. So we have given it as exact match. Okay, so I am going to merge it. You can either discard it or merge it. Okay, so let me merge it. So it will be asking a confirmation. So once it's done, you can click on OK. And then you have this message which shows 3 records has been merged. Okay, so that's how you do it, and that is how you manually do it. Okay, so if you have large list of items and all, okay, and if you want to, take a look at each, and that is to ensure that nothing is going lost. So you can take a look at it, and then you can use the manual merging. So if you are having this automatic merging means, that is if you have a large number of duplicate, consider automatic merging, because with the rule set to automate, Odoo will identify and merge duplicates based on your criteria without manual intervention. Okay, so this deduplication actually has a lot of benefits. Okay, so that is, you can clean lead data, you can get clean lead data, ensure accurate pipeline tracking and better sales forecasting. And then you have the efficiency where no more wasted time contacting duplicate leads, allowing reps to focus on qualified prospects. Okay. And then you have this experience, that is leads are contacted only once. Okay. So if there are duplicates means the same person for the other lead also, that person will get contacted, right? So you only need to contact that person once, leading to a more professional first impression. Okay, so just imagine calling a same lead for multiple times. Okay, or same contact as multiple leads has come and you're contacting the same person for multiple times, and it's a bit time consuming. Okay, so by using this deduplication in Odoo 17, you can maintain a clean and organized lead list. So this translates to a more efficient sales price, improved data accuracy, and ultimately happier leads and more closed deals. So that's basically how you configure the deduplication rule in data cleaning of Odoo 17. I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.